Now we're going to take a look at the link inspector. So when I launch my inspector menu, all the way over here on the right hand side, next to my widget inspector is my link inspector, and that's the blue circle with the arrow going out. This allows us to create some interactivity within our book and linking to sources outside of our book. So we're going to show you an example of how you can link to different pages inside your book, kind of like solve your own mystery. So if you choose this outcome, turn to page such and such. If you choose another outcome, turn to another page. Let's just say though, I want my students to check their work. I'm going to add this text here, and then I'm going to link to it. But I want them to link to the back of the book, because we all know that answers are found in the back of the book. So I'm actually going to go to my last chapter here, and I'm going to create my answer key. So here are your answers. Let's say if this is my answer key, I'm going to start by highlighting the end. So I want to create a bookmark. So if I have the answer key highlighted, I'm going to go over to the inspector link, or sorry, the link inspector, and I'm going to go to the bookmark section, and I'm going to add this as a bookmark. So in other words, anytime I want to create a hyperlink to the answer key, I'm going to be able to create that link and they'll jump to page 18. Now let's go back to the page where I wanted my students to check their work. So here it is, check your work now. I want them to click on this link and be automatically taken to my answer key. So I'm going to select that phrase and I'm going to go to hyperlink. And then I'm going to enable this as a hyperlink. So whenever I enable something as a hyperlink, I have a few different options. I can hyperlink it to a figure somewhere in my book. I can hyperlink it to a bookmark. I can compose an email message, or I can add a web page. This will send me outside the book and to that website. Here I'm going to hyperlink it to a bookmark. So I'm going to select bookmark, and then I'm going to select the bookmark that I've already created, which is the answer key. Now, anytime I hit this, check your work now, I will be sent to page 18 in my book where I can get all the answers to my problems. Let's take a look now at just entering a link in to go outside to a website. So I'm just going to add the simple text, click here to go to website. Again, I'm going to highlight this text now, and then I'm going to enable it as a hyperlink, and I'm going to choose web page. So as long as I have my URL, I can type my URL in here. I'll have this go out to my blog. And now it's enabled. So anytime a student comes here, click here to go to the website, it will take them to my blog. If they hit on check their work now, it will take them to page 18. So it's important to note that one will send you outside the book, in which you'll need internet connectivity, and the other one will keep you inside your book, and you will not need internet connectivity.